Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to use WhatsApp. So first of all, go ahead and enter the WhatsApp chat, and after you enter your phone number, verify that this is your account, you're going to see the chats appearing in front of you. So WhatsApp has, have come a long way since its beginning. So you're going to see right now there is a communities that you can start with, and you can bring members together in topic based groups. Any community you're added will appear right here. So if you want to start a new community, just go ahead and click plus the new community button, and from here you're gonna see calls. You'll be able to, of course, make a standard kind of a calls and make a video calls on WhatsApp. If I'm here, what you're gonna see the updates. So as I said before, WhatsApp came a long way. So what happened right now lately, they added the status or the story kind of a feature. So now you can share your stories or share your photos, videos inside like one story, and people in your contacts will be able to access your stories unless you prevented them. So you're gonna see right here the chats. You can just go ahead into the standard chat and click the plus button. You can take a photo by just clicking the camera and take a photo from the photo library, and video as well. Document location and contact, and poll. You can run a poll inside someone's chat, and you can get to their opinions, right? So basically that works even with the groups as well. So if you run a poll, same goes for the groups. So basically, if you want to share a location, share a document, you can just go ahead and share a document by just choosing from your file or choosing from the photo and video, right? And from here you're gonna see the mic. That means that you'll be able to send a voice message. And here the same goes for the stickers. You'll be able to send stickers to your WhatsApp, and you will see many stickers and gifs that you can send to express your emotion or affection for someone. So basically this is the basic normal chat right here, and you'll be able, of course, to make a phone call or a voice call, right? So you will see right here the settings. The standard settings is your avatar and your bio and phone number, and from here you get to see your own like photo, and inside the profile, if you want to change it, you'll be able to change it. Next to it you will see a barcode. That means that you'll be able to share your barcode with the desktop, or you will able to share your barcode with some people, so be able to find you on WhatsApp by scanning the barcode, right? And from here you will see the stored messages. Here you will see all the messages that you favorite or you want to save it for later to get back to it, maybe some important documents or whatnot. So you will be able to see it just right here. And from here you will see the link device. If you want to link your devices to your browser, you'll be able to see in your browser, in your PC or laptop, you'll be able to see a barcode in WhatsApp web, and just go ahead and link the device and scan the barcode that appears on your laptop. And the same goes for account. You will see the standard account. If you want to add one extra layer of protection, just go ahead to the two-step verification and just turn it on. And the same goes for email address and change number if you want to change your phone number, and if you want to request your account info or delete it permanently. And for me, you're gonna see the privacy. You will see right here last seen and online. If you want to change your availability inside the WhatsApp for some people, or only your contacts, or everyone to know if you are available or not, or everyone to see your bio or groups or status. So you'll be able to manage those settings right here, okay? And here you will see the blocked. Basically you will see the people that you blocked inside the WhatsApp as well. So you will see it right here. And the read receipts is for when you send a message and someone reads it, and you will see like a blue check mark. That means that they turned on the read receipts. That means that if you turn it off, that means that no one will be able to see if you are available or if you read this message or not, only that you received it only, right? And here you will see the advanced settings, and here if you want to protect IP address in calls, just toggle it on so no one can detect your location. And here you will see the standard chat settings. You'll be able to see chat wallpaper. This is an amazing feature, by the way. You'll be able to change the chat wallpaper or picture of the chat or avatar to whatever picture that you actually prefer, and the same size, of course, right? So you'll be able to change that to new wallpaper, or just select the one that been suggested by the WhatsApp, right? And from here, let me go back, and you will see right here save to camera roll. If someone sent you a video or media, it will be saved right away to camera roll. If you want it, just toggle it on. If you don't want it, just toggle it off. And here you will see chat backup. This is important setting. So what you're gonna see, you're gonna set your auto backup every day. If you are a type of person who gets a lot of contact, or get in touch with some people, and you receive or send important files, so what you're gonna see right here, auto backup, and make sure that you do the auto backup daily and on day-to-day basis. So what you're gonna see, you're gonna just click backup now, wait out for a few moments until it's back up. And if you haven't actually backed up the chat, it will remind you to do it before you lose all the files inside the chats, right? And from here you will see keep chats archived. Basically what you're gonna see in the chats, you'll be able to see right here, if you swipe right, you will be able to archive the chats. And here you will see the archived, right, appearing in front of you. This is the chats that maybe you don't want to receive or see in your chat feed. So basically that's the whole basic how to use the WhatsApp for now. So basically that's it in a nutshell. This is WhatsApp. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video I upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.